Hello, everyone. Today, we will learn English through a powerful and meaningful quote. Please listen slowly, relax, and repeat after me if you want. Here is today's quote. You educate a man, you educate a man. You educate a woman, you educate a generation. Let's read it one more time, slowly. You educate a man, you educate a man. You educate a woman, you educate a generation. Now let's understand the meaning. First part. You educate a man, you educate a man. This means when you teach a man, only one person learns. He gains knowledge. He improves his life. He may get a better job. He may earn more money. That is good. Education is always good. Now let's look at the second part. You educate a woman, you educate a generation. This part is very powerful. Why? Because when a woman learns, she does not only help herself. She teaches her children, she guides her family, she shares her knowledge every day. Children learn many things from their mother. They learn how to speak, they learn good manners, they learn values, they learn how to behave. So when a woman is educated, her children grow up smarter and stronger. And when those children grow up, they teach their children. This is called a generation. A generation means a group of people born around the same time. So this quote tells us something very important. Educating women helps the whole society. Education spreads. It grows. It continues. One educated woman can change the future. Now, let me ask you something. Do you believe education can change the world? Think about it. Education gives power. Education gives confidence. Education creates opportunities. And when both men and women are educated, the world becomes better and more equal. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. Education is powerful. Education changes lives. Education builds the future. Very good. Thank you for listening today. If you enjoy learning English through simple quotes, please like this video and subscribe to Simple English Avenue. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.